Hey there, and welcome to Stomach Fit. In today's video, we will be looking at some of the best foods to help detox the kidney naturally. The kidney is one of the most vital organs in the body as it helps in the elimination of toxins and metabolic waste, making it possible to maintain normal body functions. When it comes to improving kidney health, our diet plays a major role. And if you are interested in some of the best foods that help to detox the kidney and maintain normal body functions, you will find out in this video. If you are just joining us for the first time, welcome to Stomach Fit, where we share the best health, wellness, and nutrition tips for all ages. Do make sure to subscribe to our channel so you learn about our latest videos. Foods high in fiber, minerals, and vitamins are great for body detoxification, and when it comes to detoxifying the kidney specifically, below are 7 foods you need to incorporate in your diet. Number 1. Red bell pepper. Aside from their fruity, sweet, crispy flavor, red bell peppers pack a whole lot of health benefit aside from helping to spice up your meals. Rich in antioxidants such as vitamin C and beta-carotene. Red bell peppers are a great addition to your diet if you are looking to reduce oxidative stress on the kidneys, which can lead to kidney disease. A diet rich in anti-inflammatory compounds can help prevent kidney inflammation, and red peppers are packed with anti-inflammatory compounds like flavonoids and various phytonutrients, which helps to promote optimal kidney health. Aside from the fact that it is low in sodium, which is great for people with high blood pressure and kidney disease, red bell pepper also has a high water content, which helps to keep the body hydrated. And as you will find out later in this video, you need to stay hydrated to maintain a healthy kidney and normal body functions. The best part is that you can find numerous ways to incorporate red peppers in your diet. You can find the sweet, crunchy ones that you can snack on raw, and you can always make them work in a stir-fry or as part of your salad mix. Another good food you should be eating to detox the kidney is cabbage. This cruciferous leafy green is one you should include in your diet to promote optimal health and wellness. Rich in fibers, vitamins, folate, and potassium, it could work well to improve kidney health and also safeguard against liver disease. Glucosinolate, which is one of the prominent phytonutrient in cabbage, has been known to have antioxidant and anti-cancer properties. And this could also help the kidney fight against oxidative stress. Another good thing about cabbage is it has anti-diuretic properties, which means it has the ability to increase urine production. And this is great for the body when it comes to eliminating toxins and metabolic waste. There are many ways you can include cabbage in your diet. Add it in your salad mix, stir fry, or include it in a coleslaw or cabbage stew. The third food you want to be eating to maintain a healthy kidney and help with the elimination of toxins from the body are foods rich in healthy fats like olive oil and nuts. They pack numerous health benefits that are great for the heart and kidney. In addition to reducing inflammation, foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids such as mackerel, salmon, sardines, and walnuts help the kidney to maintain normal functions. Low in cholesterol, foods rich in healthy fats helps in ensuring optimal blood circulation, which is good for the kidney as it makes it function of keeping the blood clean a lot easier. A diet rich in healthy fats could work well for the kidney and body in so many ways. Aside from helping with nutrient absorption and weight management, it also helps with blood sugar regulation. Good examples of foods that are rich in healthy fats include avocado, dark chocolates, nuts, cheese, olive oil, coconut oil, seeds, fatty fish, soybeans, and tofu. Fourth on our list of best foods that help in kidney detoxification are whole grains. These include foods like oatmeal, quinoa, whole wheat, brown rice, and barley. They are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, which helps the body in so many ways. Compared to refined grains, whole grains have a low glycemic index. What this means is that the rate of nutrient absorption in the blood is slow, which helps maintain blood sugar levels. They also work well to promote healthy heart function by reducing cholesterol levels and ensuring proper blood flow to the kidney. As a valuable source of complex carbohydrate, including whole grains like brown rice, oatmeal, and quinoa in your diet can help support overall health. They can help in weight management as they are both low in sugar and cholesterol. You also get to benefit from the fact that foods like white rice and oatmeal absorb a lot of water during preparation, which helps to keep the body hydrated when consumed. Overall, whole grains are great for the kidney as they help the body in nutrient absorption, which helps the kidney in eliminating toxins and metabolites from the body. The fifth food that works well to promote healthy kidney functions are berries. Cranberries, strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries, aside from the fact that they are sweet-tasting, are also packed with health benefits that work well to promote kidney functions. They are packed with vitamins C and K, phytonutrients and flavonoids which are rich in antioxidants. The body needs to fight inflammation and oxidative stress. Berries are also low in potassium, which is great news for those suffering from kidney diseases with certain dietary restrictions. Staying well hydrated is equally essential for maintaining optimal kidney function, and foods like strawberries and cranberries are packed with sweet fruity waters that helps in cleaning the kidney. They also contain compounds called proanthocyanidins, which help protect the kidney by safeguarding the urinary tract against infection. You can find numerous ways to include berries in your diet. You can blend them into a smoothie drink or eat them fresh. Sixth on our list of best kidney detox food is garlic. The root vegetable, which belongs to the same family as onions, is used widely in cooking for its distinctive natural flavors. It is also popular worldwide for its many health benefits. And it could also work wonders to help promote kidney and liver health, making for easy nutrient absorption and mineral transport. Garlic is low in calories and rich in vitamin C, B6, and manganese. These essential nutrients work well for the kidney by promoting the body's anti-inflammatory functions and reducing oxidative stress. It contains the active compound allicin, which in addition to fighting inflammation also helps in boosting the body's immune system. Rich in flavonoids and sulfur compounds, they work well for the kidney by promoting the balance between antioxidants and free radicals in the body. It can also help regulate blood pressure, and maintaining healthy blood pressure is crucial for kidney health. High blood pressure can damage the blood vessels in the kidneys and impair their function. Garlic's potential to lower blood pressure can be beneficial in this regard. The sulfur compounds in garlic also work well for the kidneys by improving the body's natural detox process. This can work well for people looking to lose weight, as allicin especially helps in preventing obesity and associated medical disorders. You can find many ways to enjoy the rich benefits of garlic. Include it in any savory stew, soup, vegetable pasta, or dish. The seventh food that work well to detox the kidneys are mushrooms. If you haven't been eating these beneficial fungi, you want to consider including them in your diet as they pack a host of healthy nutrients for the body. Mushrooms like shiitake, maitake, and reishi contain antioxidants like selenium and various vitamins that can help combat oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can contribute to kidney damage, so consuming foods like these mushrooms rich in antioxidants can help protect kidney function. Mushrooms like reishi are known for their potential immune-boosting properties. A strong immune system can help the body fight off infections and reduce the risk of kidney-related illnesses. Chronic inflammation can damage the kidneys over time. Certain mushrooms, such as turkey tail, contain compounds with anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation throughout the body, including the kidneys. High blood pressure is a significant risk factor for kidney disease. Some mushrooms, like lion's mane, may help regulate blood pressure, which can indirectly benefit kidney health. Mushrooms are low in calories and high in various nutrients, such as potassium and B vitamins. Maintaining a balanced diet with adequate nutrient intake is important for overall kidney health. Including mushrooms in your diet can work well to help promote nutrient absorption and protect the kidney against diseases. You can eat mushrooms with rice, add them in your gravy, soup, stew, or as part of your stir-fry. Do make sure to look out for healthy and safe options like reishi, shiitake, and maitake. When it comes to maintaining healthy kidney functions, hydration is important for promoting the body's natural detox process. While including the foods listed above can help promote healthy kidneys, you want to ensure you consume at least 2 liters of water daily. Fluids can help with cleaning the livers and kidneys. It's not enough to drink smoothies and juices in a kidney detox. You want to make sure you are drinking clean water as well. Do well to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all our stomach fit tips for health, wellness, and nutrition.